how to promote Fiverr affiliate links. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can promote Fiverr's affiliate links. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, I'm on fiverr.com, and if you want to join their affiliate links, what you're going to need to do is just simply scroll down over here and just simply scroll down to the bottom, and underneath community you're going to see affiliates. So simply click on affiliates and it's going to take you over to their affiliate program over here, or you can just simply search for affiliates.fiverr.com, and then you just simply click on join now to sign up. But before you click on join now, let me just show you a little bit about them. So when you join, they're going to ask you to choose a commission plan. So they basically have two commission plans over here. Let me just show you. So these are the two commission plans over here. So they have Fiverr CPA. Now CPA stands for click cost per action, and then they have Fiverr hybrids, where you get 10 CPA plus 10% revenue share, and whereas in this Fiverr CPA you get $15 to anywhere between $150 to $15 per CPA. So it's a dynamic CPA depending on what services your first time buyers purchase. And as you can see over here, first time buyer purchase. Now emphasis on this word, because what this basically means is that only the first time buys your services. From there you're gonna earn your commission. If the same buyers comes back and tries to buy another service, you won't get any share because that is the older buyer. Keep that in mind. So what Fiverr means to accomplish by this program is to get newer people on Fiverr network, sell their services to newer people, and that should be your goal as well, which I think is pretty weird. I mean, it is an affiliate program. You're going to be promoting their affiliate links, though you should be able to earn more than just more commission from every single purchase instead of just a first time purchase. But that it is what it is. But your goal should be to target new buyers so that you can get new people on board on Fiverr. So that is going to be your goal. Now, how do you do it? So basically there is a couple of ways you could do it, but the best method that I have found, I'm going to show you in a little bit. But before I do that, let me just tell you a little bit about the other ways as well. So another way that I've seen online is people telling people making videos and telling them other people, that their viewers, to paste their affiliate link in the comments, like basically spam your affiliate links in the YouTube comments or Facebook comments or social media comments or Instagram, Twitter, whatever, just basically spamming them everywhere, which is not good. You're not supposed to spam your links. I mean, it could get you a couple of hits on your affiliate program, but not a lot. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to be a little bit more professional. All right, by that I mean, once you've chosen your affiliate program, your commission plan, then I'll show you. So if you don't know which commission plan to go for, just simply come over here and at the bottom, and they're gonna tell you, just simply click, and they're gonna tell you how to find your plan over here. Just simply click over here, find your plan button, then they're gonna ask you a bunch of different questions, and then you will be able to choose which plan is best for you. So over here you have Fiverr Business, Fiverr Affiliates, Fiverr Learn, and Fiverr Workspace. So in Fiverr Business you will get $100 plus 10% revenue share, whereas in a Fiverr Affiliates you will only get 10% revenue share of every referred affiliate's earning for a lifetime, which is pretty cool. But it's only 10%. But 10% can also mean a lot. So let's say if someone has, let's say some affiliate has earned, let's say $1,000, then the 10% for that is going to be, I mean, 100, right? Yeah, $100. And then you have Fiverr Learn, which is gonna give you 30% of commission for every course order. And then you have Fiverr Workspace, 50% commission of every unlimited plan. So keep that in mind. And then over here they explain to you which industry and which category earns you how much. So for example, the highest one is going to be all Fiverr Pro services. So all the services, if you promote them, then you will get $150 per action and per CPA. All right, whereas if you are using, let's say, graphic designing, data programming, programming and tech over here, e-commerce development, you will get $50 per CPA. Website buildings, web programming, data processing, they're all going to earn you 40 CPA, and so on and so on. So if you just simply click over here, find your plan, they're going to ask you a bunch of questions so that you can see which plan works for you best. So once you figure that out, everything is pretty simple, pretty easy. Remember, if you're going to sign up onto their affiliate programs with the same account you've created your Fiverr account with. So if you don't have a Fiverr account, it's okay, you can still join the affiliate program. But if you already have one, make sure you connect both of their accounts. Make sure you log in with the same email and same account name and all of that. So the sign up process is pretty easy. I'm not going to show you, I'm not going to disrespect you like that. I'm pretty sure you can figure that part out yourself, but it's pretty simple. So I've already signed up. Let me just go ahead and log in and I'll show you how it looks like within. All right, so over here you have your dashboard over here, and this is how it's going to look like. So over here you're going to have all of your reports, your impression, your unique clicks, registrations, and all of that. Right, you have your marketing tools, media report, registration, all of that. And then over here on the left side you have a bunch of different other tools such as commission plan, sub affiliates, account details, and all of that. What you're going to need to do is you're going to click on sub affiliates, and over here you will have sub affiliate links. This is the link that you're going to be providing. All right, now whenever someone clicks on this link, you will earn a click, but whenever someone buys a service that you are promoting through your link, then you will get a action, and then you will get depending upon which plan you choose, $100 or $10 plus 10% revenue share, or whatever your plan you choose. All right, keep that in mind. So how do you promote this link? Well, the best way that I found by promoting this link is through blogs. So, right, so and by that I mean, like, people aren't going over to YouTube and finding various different links underneath the comments, right? Like, that's not how it works. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create a blog. So if I come over here onto Google and I search for best gigs on Fiverr, right, I search for that, then I will get a bunch of different blogs over here. So let me just see this one. I think I've viewed this one before. So as an example, yeah, I think this one right here. So this is a pretty cool example of a blog that you are going to be trying to create, right? So pretty simple, right? Nothing too fancy, just a heading, then a disclosure, and then just, a little bit about what Fiverr, and then they give you all of your, then they give you all the little bit of detail on every single category that they're promoting. So as you can see, you have content writing, you have SEO support, you have a video animation, and each of them have these words that are highlighted, like these blue words, right? Like these words, they are links to that affiliate link that I was talking about. So whenever someone clicks on affiliate link, these blue words, they are going to be redirected over to the Fiverr, network, where they can find the exact same category that they were looking for, exact same service that they were trying to buy. So if someone was for editing, then they're gonna click over here, legal writing. Pretty simple, right? So how do you make this blog? Well, it's pretty simple. You can go ahead and make a blog like this by using WordPress. So if you come over here onto WordPress, you just simply install a bunch of plugins over here. Let me just show you. These plugins are going to help you to create a blog. So you're going to need Elementor. This is a website builder. Essentials for Elementor. This is just a plus. If you don't want to download this, it all depends on you. And then you have starter templates, and once you're done that, you can go ahead and move on. So if I come over here and click on see libraries, these are all of the templates that are available for me to choose from on WordPress. Then I just simply search over here for blog. Over here I have bloggers. Let me just search for blogs over here. So all these different templates are available for us, such as this one right here. So this one looks very similar to this one with a little bit more detail, right? So if I just simply click on this website, it's gonna load up over here in a second so that we can see how it looks like over here. As you can see, so it's pretty simple, nothing too fancy. You can use this layout. You can add your title over here, just like in this blog over here. As I said before, like here, you can add in your logo, you can add in your menu over here, the title, and then you can add like this small description. Then you can add your gigs over here, that just like this person has done it in video animation. He tells about video animation and what other type of animations are available in video animation. Like, it's pretty simple, right? So you can go ahead and do that. So just simply click on continue and continue. You can choose the color over here, so however you feel like it. I think the blue one looks cool, so we're going to continue with that. And then just simply click on submit and build my website. Over here, just click on this button and it's going to install your website. Then you can go ahead and start editing your website towards your need. All right, the website has been completed. Now we just simply go ahead and view it, and now we just simply edit it out and we are good to go. So since we downloaded, Elementor, we can go ahead and edit this website with it. So if you click on edit with Elementor, it's going to take you over to the website editor tool where you can start editing your blog. Now over here, whenever you come over here, you will see, hover your mouse over a certain element, or an icon or picture or whatever, it gets highlighted, which means that you can go ahead and start editing it out. And over here you will have on the left side, you have your text, you have your inner text, headings, and all of that, text editor, divider, buttons, and all of that. You can go ahead and do that. So just simply click over here and start editing it out, right? So when you create your article, you just simply have to just simply click on the text you want to add the link to. So for example, if you wanted to add the link over here, you just simply click over here, and as you can see, you have your title over here. Over here you can add your link. Simply go back to the website. Over here, just simply copy your link, go back to the editor tool, and just simply paste that link over here. And whenever someone clicks on this link, and whenever someone clicks over here on this button, it'll be redirected towards this link, and then they can buy that service as well. And that's pretty much it. So you can edit your blog on your own. I'm not going to show you how to do that because then the video will be way too long and it'll take too long. So what you just need to do is just simply create something like this, nothing too fancy, just add in these images, maybe a video or two, and boom, you're good to go. Like, add your headings, add your text, and that's pretty much it. So keep that in mind. And once you've done that, just simply click on publish and you are good to go. So that is pretty much it. That's how you do it. That's how you promote your Fiverr links. That's how you promote your Fiverr affiliate links. All right, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.